Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we're reviewing the SafePal wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking for a secure place to store your crypto, or you're interested in using DeFi tools on the go, this wallet has been getting a lot of attention. So let's break down what it offers, what works well, and where it might fall short. First off, SafePal offers both hardware wallets and a mobile software wallet. The main hardware models include the SafePal X1 S1 and S1 Pro. The X1 connects via USB-C and Bluetooth and includes a built-in battery. The S1 and S1 Pro are fully air-gapped, meaning they don't connect via Bluetooth or USB at all. They only communicate using QR codes. The S1 Pro improves on the original S1 by offering a larger screen and longer battery life. All models are equipped with EAL5 secure chips and have anti-tamper and self-destruct features. This makes them highly secure for long-term cold storage. Of your crypto assets, SafePal supports over 100 blockchains and more than 30,000 tokens, which includes major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, NFTs, and even BNB chain tokens. That gives users a ton of flexibility when managing their portfolio. Now let's talk about what users love. SafePal wallets are very affordable compared to other hardware options. The X1 is usually around $69.99, sometimes even cheaper during sales, and the S1 is often just $49.99. Security is a major strong point. The hardware wallets operate completely offline, and the QR-based signing makes them very hard to hack. If you're looking for maximum security on a budget, SafePal is a solid choice. The mobile app is also well-designed. It supports NFT storage, DApps token swaps, and allows you to manage your hardware wallet directly from your phone. You can even use the wallet to connect to DeFi protocols and exchanges without ever needing to expose your private keys. But it's not all perfect. Some users have reported issues with the software wallet, especially around token swaps being delayed or stuck. Others say customer support can be slow to respond when something goes wrong. Also, because it's not as well known as Ledger or Trezor, there's a smaller online community. That means you may have fewer troubleshooting guides or third-party tools available. So what's the bottom line? If you want a secure, budget-friendly hardware wallet that supports a huge variety of tokens and works well with mobile DeFi apps, SafePal is definitely worth considering in 2025. Just make sure you're comfortable using QR-based transfers and be aware that the app may have occasional bugs. That's it for today's review. If you've used SafePal, let me know what your experience was like in the comments. And if this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto wallet reviews and security tips. Thanks for watching.